Okay, I'm working on my 36 Ford again. Doesn't seem to be charging, so I'm doing some troubleshooting with the generator and the voltage regulator. But I also added some sound effects to the car, and I'll give you a demonstration.